Hello everyone. So in this video, we'll create a simple Terraform script to create a Cloud SQL in Google Cloud. So first of all, if you go to the GCP dashboard and if you search for Cloud SQL, then you can see currently there is no instance over here. So what I'll just open this a simple project in this is an empty project in IntelliJ IDEA, and I'll just simply create a file called main.tf. Okay. Now we will require two resources. First is Google Cloud Database instance and another is Google SQL users. Alright. So what I'll do is simply ask Gemini uh, and I simply say that Terraform script for creating Cloud SQL and okay fine. Let's do this. So now we have a script and I'll just copy it and paste it over here, and I will require one more, that is a project. So that is a project ID of your um, if you go to the Google dashboard, so just simply here you can find project ID. Right, now let's go back to the script and let's see everything is set. Name is there, my instance you can change it, region you can again change as per your nearby area, database version that is MySQL 8 or 0, which is being given by the Terraform, Google Cloud Gemini. Then we have a we required a project. Okay, so the project ID is there. Now going for the settings, there are various settings. It's a tier. Tier is nothing but the computer engine machine on which this uh, our instance, that is a Cloud SQL, that is for MySQL, which will be created. Okay, storage auto size true, fine. Backup configuration enabled. Even we can, if you want to make it simplify, I'll just remove all this thing and I'll just go with the default. Okay, and one more thing that we can do is a delete protection, so that I'll make it false, because if we make it true then perhaps we'll have to edit again when we are trying to destroy. So for a production purpose you can make it false so that accidentally it does not get destroyed. Okay, so now what I'll do is simply um, I will say Google SQL users. Okay, and I'll just click on this button and let's see. So we have one user, that's a my user, my password, so I'll just use simply user 123 and I'll simply say pass 123. Okay, all right. So now instance is there. Okay, we have a default and we have an instance, so this is the reference to the instance for which we are creating the users, and we need again a project. Okay, we can even try this using this reference and get the project name, but should be okay. Our main purpose is to create a create a MySQL, or that is a Cloud SQL instance using the Terraform script. So what I'll do, I'll just simply say Terraform init command and slice. Okay, fine. So this is a directory, so let's go to, now let us see slurry, and our main.tf is there. Now let's again do the Terraform init. Now do Terraform plan. Okay, so plan is looking fine. So now let us try Terraform apply. Okay, and say yes. So this will start creating the instance of the Cloud SQL. So this may take little while, maybe sometimes it's a 5-10 minutes. So I'll pause the video for the same. Okay, so instance has been created within just 2 minutes. Let's verify, and I'll just go here and I'll just refresh this page. Sorry, that is Cloud SQL, and check over there. And here my instance is available. So we have successfully created the Cloud SQL instance for the MySQL 8.0 using the Terraform script, and we have a public IP address as well. All right. Now let us download the MySQL Workbench and connect the Cloud SQL from the same. So what I'll do is simply say MySQL Workbench download and just open the download. Click on this link, and I'll just go with this MSI installer, login, and if you're not able to log in, then you'll have to sign up. So I'll just simply say and enter your password. Okay. All right. So once you click on download, it is started downloading, and just go to this download folder and double click on this .msci file, and it will start launching the MySQL setup wizard. Click on next, and this may take us some time, and then click on finish, and it will launch MySQL Workbench. Before we try to connect to a connection to Cloud SQL, we need to add our IP address into the network. So what I'll do is simply say that what is my IP? Click on this link and just copy whatever the IP address is there and go to the instance. Click on the instance and go to the connection. Go to the networking, and here click on this add network. Just give any name and just add your IP address. So I will say local connection and click on done, and there don't forget to save. So it is just saving. Try to save. All right, and I will also create a simple sample database. There's a create database, and I would say test db. Click on create, and our database should be, let's refresh it, database is created, and our database is there, testdb. Now we will go to this overview, or we can say connection, and I'll just copy this authorized network. Fine, everything is fine. Okay, so I'll just copy the public IP address and go to the MySQL workbench and click on this new connection. Click on this plus sign. Okay, so connection name is local connection, standard IP, everything is there. Okay, so you can, I'll just go with the local standard TCP IP, and here host name is your IP address, username is user 123, which has been created at the Terraform. I'll just simply say testdb, and all look okay. So we need to change the password. We'll have to store the password. So I'll simply say pass123, which has been created at the time of the Terraform script. Okay, and I'll just go with this test connection. So it says successfully made the MySQL connection. Okay, now click on this OK, and we should get it. Now let's double click on this local connection, and let's wait for some time. And we are in the SQL editor. I simply say show databases, and okay, So we have all the 5 databases which are already there in the Cloud SQL. Okay. If we go to the database, and now we can play with it as per our requirement. Alright, so this is a basic setup of Cloud SQL in the Google Cloud, and we are also able to um, connect through the MySQL Workbench or any local client that you would prefer. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.